Hi, Jason Knott with CE Pro, and today I am talking about lighting with Mike Teolis, President and co-founder at Colorbeam. Hi, Mike.
Hey, Jason. Great to be on.
Thanks for joining me.
You bet.
So tell us briefly about Colorbeam.
Sure, happy to do so. Colorbeam is a lighting manufacturer that my partner and I founded back in about 5 years ago. And we are bringing what we believe is certainly the revolution of lighting to the CEDIA channel. What makes us different is obviously the fact that we are entirely a low voltage lighting infrastructure, which lends well with the CEDIA channel to now capture the entire revenue stream from lighting, not solely the control side of things.
You kind of anticipated my next question there. You were the first low voltage lighting company that really focused on this custom installation channel. What made you look at this channel and realize that they were a good fit for low voltage lighting?
Well, there's a couple of things behind that. One, we come from the integration world, and we actually developed the first generation of what became Colorbeam lighting for ourselves as integrators. And we did that for a couple of reasons. One, we recognized what we believe to be the future of lighting on a low voltage infrastructure. And quite frankly, back then, when we looked at things as integrators trying to control LED in its infancy, we had all of the headaches of the control side, but none of the revenue associated with the fixtures. So we thought that if there was a better way of doing things and that we could bring value to lighting through tunability and color and low voltage, then we can control the sales cycle as integrators. And having had success doing that for a couple of years with really what is maybe 5% of what Colorbeam is today, we decided to bring the technology to the CEDIA channel. The reason we did that is the CEDIA channel has the expertise and the skill sets to deliver Colorbeam lighting from a control standpoint, from an installation standpoint. They're really geared. This is a perfect technology, a perfect engineered solution for the integration market because we were the integrators in which we developed it for ourselves originally. So it was a perfect fit. And we were happy and quite proud to be really the first lighting manufacturer to bring not only the technology, but the conversation about lighting to the CEDIA channel.
So given your integration background and now that you've been working with integrators in the channel with the Colorbeam line for a while, what are integrators doing right and what are they doing wrong in terms of specifying, designing, and installing low voltage lighting?
Well, in our case, we have a full lighting design service behind Colorbeam in support of our dealers. So we don't have that concern about, miss specifications. We're hand in hand with our integrators and our partners in designing the solution. What we are spending a lot of time and effort these days is an enhanced education curriculum so that dealers can really get a good handle on the installation process. We're there to support them from a design perspective, but from an installation, commissioning standpoint, it is new technology for everyone who's doing their first project. So we are committed to education. We're taking that one step further with our technical team, where all our new dealers coming on board have to go through a certification process. We want them extremely well versed and educated on the installation process of Colorbeam. And we're actually holding their hands one step further. We're taking them through their first project through webinars and so on, where we're really going to make sure that there's no stumbling blocks at any level throughout the first project. We want that first project with Colorbeam to be a great experience. It leads to many more projects. So I'd say in the last 6 to 12 months, we've got a heavy concentration of technical support that's going out to our dealers as well.
That training sounds valuable. So this category has exploded in the last year and a half. Integrators who weren't even touching lighting. Now I'm talking to integrators who are doing a significant percentage of their business from low voltage lighting. Colorbeam obviously was the first entrant that we spoke about. Now we're seeing new companies or other manufacturers trying to come into the space. What really differentiates Colorbeam from those other entrants?
Well, we're certainly, I think it certainly validates our direction that we're seeing other lighting manufacturers come after dealers in the CEDIA channel. I think everyone is recognizing that CEDIA members and the custom home insulation channel uh, have really competent technology-driven companies that are geared for this type of technology. What makes Colorbeam different is there's a couple things. One, we are at the forefront of low voltage technology and developments in low voltage lighting, and the tunability aspect of what we do, which has a segue into wellness applications and circadian rhythm and productivity in commercial space. And we do that through a combination of recessed fixtures, tape, light, and linear solutions, as well as landscape and outdoor building illumination. So short of chandeliers and decorative pieces, which we have no intention of getting into, we really feel that Colorbeam is the best alternative to capture as much of the revenue stream as possible in any project, whether it be residential or commercial. So I think it's a combination of technology and the breadth of our products that really differentiate us today and bring value to our dealers.
All right, Mike Teolis, president and co-founder of Colorbeam. Thanks for joining CE Pro today.
Hey, Jason, always a pleasure. Thanks.